What's going on, YouTube? This is Big Pencil coming at you again with a nut. We out here shooting birds again. It was a beautiful afternoon. Sun shining, a little bit of breeze blowing. Birds wasn't flooding in here quite as much as they was the last time, but they were still coming in pretty regular. I think I shot, 17 times to kill 14 birds?
Yeah.
And then I quite get it the way I wanted, but I got 2 birds with 1 shot. Oh yeah. Boy, you just take notes is all you need to do on how to shoot that gun. Stand by. We can bring you a hunt. Oh, D, right over you. Huh? I guarantee you I blistered that one's ass. Hi, birds. Yeah. Ah, dang. Oh, dang. 2 with 1 shot. Yeah, I got that one on camera. There you go. Hi, Daddy. Right here behind us. Ah. Hi, Daddy. Right over you. All right, they circling back. Yeah.
But right now I'm just trying to get her there to get that medicine to get it in her because she's itching like crazy.
Huh.
Yeah. She looks horrible. It's all on her face and everything.
Well, I just got my 14th bird.